cut open this box here. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. My name's Trevor, and today we're working on the AC again. We've got the new line. It's in this box. Let me grab that other one and show you guys the difference, because this is very important to know. And if anybody needs this one right here, they're more than welcome to have it for a price. Obviously, and this thing is $60 new. It's brand new. I didn't put it on. So here's the one I bought first, and I showed you guys that in my last video. But now that I got the new one, I'll show you exactly what the difference is and how to put it back in. So let's go ahead and begin. What you're gonna need is to get a 13mm socket. Also a 10mm socket here, 10mm socket. Make sure that thing don't run off. You're gonna need your socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a couple extensions. That's about it. Because mine has already leaked all the Freon out, I don't have to worry about that part. So the first thing we're gonna do is take off our air intake here, and that is where the flathead screwdriver comes in. I did a video on how to get all this off, but we're going to cover it again real quick because it's super easy. Alright, here we go. Here's the one that I actually needed. This one is not brand new, however it is used. And inspecting it here, it all looks pretty good to me. So here's the difference, guys. Here's the one that I needed, because it sits in the car just like this. This is the one that I ordered through AutoZone, which it's not their fault. I don't know what the deal is, but as you can tell, the front of them are both the same, identical, look great. This one actually came with a sensor, which is pretty cool. And then you get to the black padding, and all of a sudden, it's different. Yeah, so you can see this one curves a lot more and straight down. This one extends on and keeps going. And the end is definitely different, because this end actually goes in there on the other line that I have down there. So that was my problem. If you guys do need this one, go ahead and let me know. If I haven't already gotten rid of it, which I very well might have. There's nothing else in there. So thanks to the guy I got that off of eBay from. Really appreciate it. And now we're going to get to work. However, if you do need that part, let me know, because I have no use for it. I dropped my screwdriver, so I got to find it. Alright, so we got our air filter out again. And now we're just working on these bolts. And just like that, they're out. These bolts here are 10mm, which I did mention in my last video. The next step is to just pop that plastic cover right off, just like so. Set her down. Now we can get to the line, which is a 13mm. So there's one there, and there is one right there. Alright, so I kind of skipped ahead here, but you put the back end in first, and then tighten that guy down. And once that's tightened, You can run over here. My problem is this right here is getting into it. Now it's not gonna. Got it bent a little further out. And then you go up to your front top end and you push that one in, bolt that on down. And if you had to pull this out, you can put that back just by pushing this little tab back in. Get this little black rubber piece to stay out of the way. Alright, there we go. So now we got our new line in. Here's our old line. And the other new line that was incorrect. I just went ahead and left the other one on there. And, well, this one, I don't know what I'll do with it. I'll just toss it. In the scrapyard or something. I don't know, maybe get 10 cents. Anyhow, now it's time to charge the car. Charge the AC, I mean. So in order to do that, you gotta take this cap off right here, set it there. And we gotta get our AC thing and start the car, but first we gotta put the car back together. Alright, so we got everything put back together. I got my hose here, and I got my R34A. So you take that cap off. I already did this, so I'm just going to show you. So take that cap off right there. Just pull that off. It exposes the port. So then you take your hose and put it right on there, just like so. You can check the gauge, and then you attach your can there. When you have your can on here, you're just going to sit there and you're going to shake it and kind of best the car like this. Hold this down and shake it from like 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12. So you're going to go from 12 o'clock like this to that. And just keep doing that. And as you're going, it's nice to be able to have that window down, reach in there, feel that nice cold AC. Feel it charging up. So that is how it's done. We now have AC back in the Corvette. Extremely happy about that. And real quick before I go, I would like to kind of show this off a little bit. Oh, it's not the best, but it's pretty awesome, and the reason it's awesome is because my boys helped out with doing this. You can tell it's not professionally done, but my boys helped out with that. They signed it. Pretty excited about that. Yeah, I got my flag on the car. We're ready to go do a cruise. So anyhow, if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let me know if this helped you out. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video. Have a great night.